Example 2.15. Let Z1, Z2 and Z3 be complex number such that modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z2 equal to modulus of Z3 equal to or greater than 0 and Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 not equal to 0. Prove that modulus of Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1 divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to R. Given that modulus of Z1 equal to R. Squaring on both sides. Modulus of Z1 square equal to R square. இப்போ modulus of Z1 square Z1 into Z1 bar equal to R square. Since Z into Z bar equal to modulus of Z square. Therefore, Z1 equal to R square by modulus of Z1. Similarly, Z2 equal to R square by Z2 bar and Z3 equal to R square by Z3 bar. Given that Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 not equal to 0. Suppose Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to R square by Z1 bar plus R square by Z2 bar plus R square by Z3 bar. இப்போ R square காமன் எடுத்துக்கிட்டா R square into 1 by Z1 bar plus 1 by Z2 bar plus 1 by Z3 bar. இப்போ LCM எடுத்தோம்னா R square into LCM Z1 bar into Z2 bar into Z3 bar. இப்போ LCM divided by Z1 bar Z2 bar into Z3 bar plus LCM divided by Z2 bar Z1 bar into Z3 bar plus LCM divided by Z3 bar Z1 bar into Z2 bar. One of the property of conjugate of a complex number Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar இருந்துச்சுன்னா Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole bar எழுதலாம். Z1 bar into Z2 bar into Z3 bar will multiply இருந்தா Z1 into Z2 into Z3 the whole bar எழுதலாம். இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இதுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணா Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1 plus Z1 into Z2 the whole bar divided by Z1 into Z2 into Z3 the whole bar into R square. Now again இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z1 into Z3. Order that 1 2 2 3 1 3 by Z1 into Z2 into Z3 the whole bar. That is Z1 by Z2 the whole bar இருந்ததுன்னா Z1 by Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar இருக்கு. இங்கே Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar இருக்கு. அத Z1 by Z2 the whole bar into இங்கே R square. Now taking modulus on both sides. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole modulus is equal to Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z1 into Z3 by Z1 into Z2 into Z3 the whole bar modulus into R square. இப்போ என்ன எழுதலாம் இதை modulus of Z bar equal to modulus of Z. அப்போ இது வந்து டோட்டலா இது Z அதுக்கு பார். அப்போ Z bar the whole modulus is equal to modulus of Z is equal to R square into Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z1 into Z3 by Z1 into Z3 the whole modulus. If we got one property Z1 by Z2 the whole modulus is equal to Z1 by Z2 individual modulus. அப்போ இதை எப்படி பிரிச்சு எழுதணும்னா R square into Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z1 Z3 modulus divided by modulus of Z1 Z2 is Z3. இப்போ modulus of Z1 Z2 Z3 அப்படின்னா individual modulus of Z1 modulus of Z2 into modulus of Z3. அப்போ இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா R square into modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 by modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 into modulus of Z3 is equal to R square into modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 divided by இது modulus of Z1 modulus of Z2 எல்லாமே equal to R க்கு equal. அப்போ R into R into R. அப்போ இது R cube ஆயிரும், இந்த R ஒரு கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இந்த modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 divided by R. Therefore, now required we have to prove this. Therefore, R equal to Z1 Z2 modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 by modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. But numerator modulus இருக்கு, denominator modulus இருக்கு, common modulus எடுத்துறோம். Therefore, R equal to modulus of Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole modulus. That is the answer. R equal to total modulus Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. That is proved. Hence proved.